There's Jonah. And he's standing in a big pile of snow. He's gonna run and jump in that snowdrift. If he hurts himself, I'm probably gonna laugh, but then I'm gonna be like, oh my god, are you okay? I can't even get up. Trying to find a clear spot on the window to film. Holy crap, that's like up to his waist. My cats want my attention. Roly-poly-oly. It's like hailing so bad out there. When it was hitting me in the face, I couldn't even open my eyes. My poor dog, I took him out for 10 minutes, and he had a beard of snow. And he hates being in the house, so he keeps crying. How are ya? Was it fun? I know, I kept calling you roly-poly-oly. Jonah's gonna come in. You can't see through that window, but the cat can. Yeah. Yep. So, it's really, really cold out here. It was spring yesterday. Not anymore. I actually couldn't get out of that. It's really windy. We don't even have a rabbit outside. Right now, it's windy out, and it stopped snowing, and it's raining now. So I don't want to spend too much time outside because I don't want my phone to get ruined. But yeah, it's slushy and rainy. I'm waiting for Shauna. We're gonna go down to the water. There's a whole bunch of ice down there. I don't know if you can see. It's over there, yeah. So I'll be right back. But it's raining really bad. We're actually on the road right now. And we have to walk in a whole bunch of snow because there's drifts. Keep going. Keep going. Ah. Run. I got snow in my boots. Doesn't look so bad. Not here anyway. It's just raining and it's cold. And there's ice. The tide's pretty high. I don't want to fall. Just out for a walk on this beautiful spring day. It's lovely. It's beautiful. This is beautiful. No rain, no snow. Go over there. Go further. I dare you. Go further. Hurry.
I can't.
Go further. Go up.
Ow, it's ice.
Go that way.
It's ice. It hurts. I hurt my butt.
So yeah, stormy today. And wet. What?
Hat.
Oh, I lost the hat. We're probably gonna die. I have water on my lens, so I can't even see right, but it's wet outside, right, Shauna? Was it cold?
Like yeah.
You look like a what?
A tomato.
I look like a mess.
Wet kiss.
Point of the whole story. Not story. Moral of everything. I don't know. I can't see. Just don't go outside today if you live in Nova Scotia. Or Newfoundland.
Or New York.
Or anywhere that's affected by this storm.
In Boston. I didn't take the dog out.
Okay, take the dog out. What are you doing? I see your boobs.
I drifted. Whoopsies.